Welcome everyone to Homo Sapia. We will learn how to build a table. We have a sample, so let's make it a bit smaller and start building our table. First, let's understand that Excel represents a workspace made up of cells. A cell is formed by the intersection of columns, which are labeled with letters, and rows, which are labeled with numbers. For example, the cell at the intersection of column D and row 4 is called D4. We can see its address in the name box. To move around, we can click with the left mouse button on the cells or use the arrow keys to move up and down. To select multiple consecutive cells, press the left mouse button on the first cell and drag the mouse in the direction you need, such as right or down. In our sample, the table consists of 8 rows, starting from column B and ending with column K. Let's draw the borders of our future table. To do this, click on cell B2, press the left mouse button, and drag it to column K, then down to row 9. Release the left mouse button, and the borders will be drawn. In the Home tab, under Font, there is a special option called Borders. Click on it to see all the possible options and choose All Borders. Click with the left mouse button to apply the borders. Now we have the table with the following headers: product name, unit of measurement, and price. These are merged cells, meaning they span columns B and rows 2 and 3. To merge cells, select them and click the Merge button, which is found in the Home tab under Alignment. Now we will change the text color. Select the title, go to the Home tab, and in the Font section, choose the fill color, green. You'll notice the text is still black. To change this, go to the Font section and select the black color for the text. Let's start entering data. Click on the cell, type the data, for example, number, and press Enter to move to the next row. To adjust the width of the column, hover the cursor between columns C and D, then drag the border to the desired size. Alternatively, right-click on the column letter, select Column Width, and enter the desired width, for example, 14. Now let's fill in the rest of the table. To avoid typing the same thing multiple times, we can copy cells and paste them as needed. If we mistakenly insert an extra row, we can delete it. To do this, highlight the extra row, and in the Home tab, under Editing, click Erase and select Clear All to restore the original appearance. Let's pay attention to our sample table. The header is centered, bold, and aligned. To achieve this, select the header, go to the Home tab, and click Bold and Center. Next, fill in the serial numbers. Type 1, then drag the bottom right corner of the cell down to autofill the rest of the numbers. Release the mouse button, and in the autofill options, select Fill Series. Now align the data in the table and highlight the final value in green. Make the text black and bold, and adjust the font to Gothic. If we want to add a new column, select the column before where you want the new column, right-click, and select Insert. This will add a new column. Merge the cells and add the necessary data. If we need to add a row, select the row above where you want to insert the new row and click Insert. And that's it. We've created the table. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.